Hi, I'm Joel with Brakes, and this is our new power brake booster kit for 1964 to 66 Mustangs equipped with a V8 and factory manual transmission linkage. Part number FC0042HK. This is the first kit with the factory look on the market, designed to fit within the constraints of the export brace and strut tower. Biggest benefit of all, it works with the factory Z-bar clutch mechanism. Now, let's take a closer look at the components. This kit features a zinc-plated 7-inch single diaphragm power booster, a cast iron 1 1/16" bore master cylinder, the adjustable proportioning valve, and the brake lines needed to route to your factory 3-port distribution block. It also includes the mounting brackets, hardware, and brake push rod, keeping install easy. So if you're looking to add the safety and performance of power brakes to your 1964 to 66 Mustang, this is the kit for you.